God, the dogs are in the room with me, and I just tried to get Roxy to be in my thumbnail picture, but it did not work. She did not want to be on camera, I guess. She looked terrified, like in this one. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget. If you're into that sort of thing, subscribe and like the videos and click the little bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video. I have a box right here to unbox for you. This is a Louis Vuitton item, and it's something I've been looking for over a year, and I've been holding out for just the right one in the right condition and at the right price. I wanted to pay $400 or less for this. I paid a little bit more because I didn't expect to find one in this condition, which is supposed to be like new. It's supposed to come with the box, the dust bag, and the care cards. So hopefully that's all in here. Let's see. By the way, I got this from The RealReal. All right, I see a brown box. That's a good sign. Ooh, it's upside down. All right, here we go. Yes, there's a spot on the box. Here's the RealReal paperwork. And let's take this Vuitton box out. The box is, God, in terrible condition. It's got this big spot on it here, and then this corner is ripped, and that corner is ripped. And then there's this blue tape, which that just peeled right off. That's fine. But one thing about The RealReal, their photographs are terrible, and they only take a few photographs. They do a terrible job of describing the condition of items. Like, there was no photo of the box at all, and this one is just all broken. Maybe I can tape it up from the inside to keep it together, but I was really hoping for a nice box that wasn't all ripped up, because I much prefer the brown packaging, the old brown packaging, and I only have one larger box for this, and that was for my Neverfull that I purchased from the store. And I was hoping to have a smaller one like this that was in good shape that I could reuse. So hopefully I can take it up. That's disappointing right off the bat. All right, let's open it up. So they wrapped it in, oh, it's the original Louis Vuitton paper. Well, that's nice with the little sticker. That's good. The item is not in the dust bag. It's just, the dust bag is sitting on top of it. It's weird. And the item is upside down. Let me turn it around for you. All right, let's turn it around. There's the dust bag, and there's the item. Let's take this out and look at it. So this is the Denim Pleaty from Louis Vuitton, and from the photos, even though the photos are pretty terrible, I could tell that the color of the blue on the bag was still very bright and vibrant. And that's one of the things I've been looking for, is one that's in great shape. And then also the pictures that they showed of the vachetta, it looked really clean and still very, very light. And it didn't look like it had any water spots or any other stains. Looked like it was in pretty much brand new condition. The only wear that I'm seeing is at the end of the tabs here, that they're curling up a little bit. You can see, and they definitely feel curled up. Even the metal plate there doesn't have a lot of scratches on it. It still looks really new. The Vuitton denim, let me grab something. So I have this clay in Vuitton. It's part of the same line as the bag here. And one of the things, if you're looking for one of these bags, and of course you can only buy it on the Preloved market because it was discontinued a while ago, you want to look for the color still being a nice bright blue, and you want to look at the vachetta and see how light that is and what kind of condition it's in. And then as best you can see of the metal for scratches. So those were my big concerns with these. I have seen some of these Pleaties very, very faded, like whitewash looking faded. It's not what I wanted. I wanted one in excellent condition, and I was patient, waited a long time, and got one. Of course, maybe I'm speaking too soon. Let's look inside. The inside in the photo, they only had one photo, I think, and it looked pristine, so let's see. What do you think? It's got the paperwork in the pocket there. I'll pull that out in a second. So it's this mustard yellow microfiber Alcantara, what do they call it? And then inside it has all the original paperwork here. Let's see. So here is the tag with the item number, the mini pleaty, the tag with the materials. So that says textile cowhide leather trim, and then on the back it says the same thing in French, I'm assuming. And the little care booklet, I have never had a little Vuitton care booklet before. None of my items have come with one. So I'm curious about that. Well, that's in French, so I can't read that. Let's see. All right, here we go. I found the English section. For the spring, I won't read the whole thing, but let's read this page. For the Spring-Summer 2005 fashion show, Marc Jacobs has chosen to use an icon material for the first time in leather goods and shoes, denim. So this is a Marc Jacobs creation. And let me see if I can find the date code on this so we know where it is. It's probably inside the pocket, yep. So this is CA something 095, which means it's from 2005. I think it's maybe 0095. So the date code's right in there. Yeah, so other than that, the little corners curling there and the ripped box, which I am very disappointed about. I mean, it's a small thing, I guess, but one of the reasons I paid a little more than I wanted to was to have that box. This bag is in almost brand new condition. It just has the most minor wear that I don't care about at all. And it's super cute. So I'm going to enjoy that. I've been wanting a denim bag for a while, and I've been looking at other brands, and I just haven't seen anything that I really loved. I looked for just a cheap denim bag because who wants to pay a ton of money for denim? But I just kept coming back to this one, and I couldn't find anything else that was just what I wanted or that I liked better than this. Stay tuned at some point for like a what fits and review of this, because I'm curious what fits. I usually carry much larger bags. This is very small, I knew it would be, but it's the bag I wanted, and I finally have it. Broken box and all, and the matching clay that I'm happy about. The denim is a little bit different color, you can see. Looks like the bag is even brighter than that one, than the clay. Let me see if I can find a date code on the clay. By the way, it has the same mustard inside, but it's a leather. Date code on the clay is CA1017, so this is actually a newer item from 2007, and the bag is from 2005. So I'm just gonna guess that the clay was used a lot more than the bag was, because they were probably the same color denim when they started out. Well, I'm very happy with the bag, and it's cool that it came with all the stuff. It's like getting a brand new bag. I mean, like from the store, you know, except for the torn box. Do you guys have anything from the denim collection? I know they also have this bag in a pink color, like a bright pink, and a green. I like the green one too, but the blue one was at the top of my list. Do y'all have anything else from the denim collection? They had several other bags, and I don't know what all. There is another clay that I'd like to get if I can, again, find it at the right price and in good condition. And I think it's about this size, but it's more of a roundish shape. It's quite a bit larger. I think that would be fun to have too at some point. The booklet says it's a microfiber lining in the color saffron. I like having this little book. Like I said, I've never had one. This has a lot of information about how they treated the denim and all kinds of things.